Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice day here for Amazon, especially when you factor in the context where just on Wednesday, the price closed down here, and then Thursday being over, and the price has worked its way all the way up there. So still more work needs to be done, but you got to give credit where credit's due. A nice recovery from, where it was just on, a day ago. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. And the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. We say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 32.10. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 32.10, that does not mean that the entire Amazon chart has now been destroyed. All I'm saying in that is if the price can actually manage to stay above there, that would be a very, very impressive sign of power going forward. But as I've talked about in past videos, and actually let me squeeze things out just to bring it more in context here, but it's all about, from the bigger picture, that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, especially on this one. I mean, you have a perfect case study. Look how the price cruised very nicely above that level. Once again, found support at it on on Wednesday. And then today, Thursday, bounce off it. So now going into Friday, that has been just confirmed as the general level that you're going to want to continue to watch moving forward. So again, 32.10 would be that preferable level. But if the price doesn't quite hold above there, again, not the end of the world, because you still do have that 50-period moving average, which, as we can see, has done a fantastic job of providing support. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, got to squeeze down the charter a little bit to offer up the next potential battleground here. And that next potential overall battleground right up here at, let's see, what is that? The 32.65 mark. So 32.65, generally speaking, next key big roadblock and big battleground to keep an eye on very, very closely. So all in all, though, the grind continues, the bounce continues, and now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this breakout that occurred late day today. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.